Welcome back to the channel, guys. So it's issue with my phone, and can't really charge it for some reason. Charger port was actually, it builds a lot of dust inside, and clean it up today. My phone won't charge due to being very dusty here. This usually happens when you have your phone in your pocket, and eventually it builds up dust. Doesn't want to charge, which is very common on iPhones. Um, but I kind of got tired taking to the repair. $30, $40, $50 just to clean it out. Show you that my iPhone won't charge. Now it's charging. Sometimes it wants to charge, sometimes it doesn't. I'm gonna try it one more time. Nothing. So what we're gonna do is clean it up. Oh, this PS, you can see, is very, very dirty. Even the speakers are a little bit dirty too. So we're gonna take this cover out. I might have bought the wrong one. And this one is for the USB-C. I don't know if you can read it, guys, but it says USB-C port. It's the older model. I made a little mistake. It's okay. I'm sure you still could use it, you know, still manageable, but we're gonna do the first step. This is the first step. Basically, you just go like this, try to take all the debris out. It's not as bad, so one second tool. So this one is supposed to be for your USB charger. Lubricant inside this, because I'm just gonna just change it up a little bit. And then use this right here. So that is good. Could put this one back inside, just like that. That's fine. Oh, I guess we could use force though. I mean, it's pretty clean inside already. I don't think we're gonna need anything else from that. Nothing is really coming out. More cleaning solution on the 5, and we're gonna put this one in there. Although it's not the size for it, but You see the dirt? I know it's hard to constantly see that. Now we go to the 6, just clean inside. Yep, sure was dirty. I don't know, the camera might not catch it, but it definitely was dirty. Definitely. Definitely. Yep. See? Definitely will help at least cleaning most of it. Oh, that's much better. Much better. Nice. Oh man, look how dirty it was from the inside. Hopefully it will charge now. Like I said before, this is not for the one for this phone. This is for the USB-C port, but it's still manageable. You still could use it. It shouldn't be a problem. It just takes a little bit extra work, but that's about it. It's a pretty cool tool. Now I'm just gonna clean it up a little bit and then put it back and use it next time. Because eventually it builds up, you know, after time, it just does. So get one of these. I'm definitely gonna put this on the description down below, so if you guys want one of these, so it definitely helps out. This is definitely a lifesaver, and it will save you some money instead of taking to the phone repair shop. But yeah, now let's just test it out if it actually charges. Now it's all cleaned up and hype, super hype. Now I know how to clean it. Now I don't have to take it to the phone repair shop. So what you gotta do is just clean it up, put it back, and it's very good. It's very handy. Suggest you guys get one. Just description down below. But I do have one more thing, and it's in this box is an air purifier filter that I have here and needs to be changed. So this is the one I have, and this is a air purifier, and my filter is dirty, so I'll be changing the filter. It's pretty easy. Filter goes right at the bottom. All you gotta do is just turn it, take this one out, changing it for the new one. Oh, throw this one out. I'll save this one for the future, because eventually this one is gonna get dirty again, obviously, of course. And then that's it. Filter's clean. Like and subscribe for more videos, guys. Peace.